What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can open or create an Invideo AI account. Also, if you guys want to get 30 days premium access of Invideo AI, you can use the link from the description below to create your account. And now let's get started. So first off, of course, you would need to go to the login page. Now you can do this through the link below, or you can just Google Invideo AI. From here, once you're on the login page, you would just need to first input the email that you want to be associated with your Invideo AI account. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, once you have your email address inputted, you can just click Create an Account. Once you clicked Create Account, Invideo AI will send you a verification code to your email address. So just go ahead and open your email and input that code right here. And now just go ahead and click Create Account again. Now after that, you will be redirected to this page right here. So here you would just need to go through a couple of steps to create your account. So just go ahead and input your name and your workspace name. Once you inputted that, you can click Continue. Now here you can just click whatever works for you. I will click GPT Store and click Continue again. Here you would just need to select what refers to you, so let's say content creator in this case, and click Continue. Here you would just need to input the year of your birth, so let's say this, and click Continue again. And after that last step, your Invideo AI account will be created and you can start with your video generation or your video creation. And you will also get 1 free month of premium access if you use the link from the description below. So that's guys a complete step-by-step guide on how to create your Invideo AI account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.